Hi, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Juliet, and the channel's name is Vibe Tech. This is a space for anybody who is willing and who wants to learn software development. You are planning to join a bootcamp or you want to be a self-taught developer. This is the space for you. Do you have a friend? Do you have a neighbor? Do you have a colleague who wants to switch careers or want to go to a completely different direction? And this is the space for you to learn software development. You know why? Because this space is for beginners who are willing or trying to navigate through their way through coding. The codes are simplified in everyone is carried along. I'll try to simplify the code as little as I can so that everyone will be carried along, and I will start from the beginning. I'll start from the beginning with HTML and CSS. If you're looking to launch a career in software development, this is the space for you. I'll carry everyone along. I'll try to build it from the ground up, and we all learn together as we go. Yes, what is software development? Software development is it drives the overall development life cycle, including working across functional teams to transform requirements into features, managing development team and processes. Software development is the new thing in town, and many people are switching careers into tech. And you become a developer. Some people became a developer, self-taught, watching videos, following along. Some join boot camps, where there are structure. I'll try to add some structure here so that we all follow along. Many people want to join bootcamp, but they don't have money to join a bootcamp, or they are just scared that if they join bootcamp, they may not really cope in the bootcamp. So this is actually the space for you to test the water and see if it's something you're willing to do, or if it's something you're willing to leave your current career and switch into. Yes, so we'll be starting with HTML and CSS. HTML means hypertext markup language. It's the code that is used to structure web page and its content. For example, most of the websites you're seeing are being structured with HTML, CSS. Contents could be structured within a set of paragraph, headers, bullets, points, and all that. HTML is like the skeleton of all websites. Yes, HTML is the standard markup language for all web pages, and you can use it to create your own website. Believe you me, if you follow along in this channel, you will be amazed at what you will achieve. You will be amazed on how much you will learn, and you will be amazed at how easy it actually is to be a software developer. See, if I can do it, you can do it. And if you're willing to give it your all, you can even achieve this as soon as possible, even as soon as you can never have imagined. So let's build this page. Let's build this and make it look like a boot camp so that everybody will follow along. There will be discipline. If you're disciplining yourself and you're focused on what you want, and most importantly, when you are in software development, consistency is the key. If you're consistent with this and you try to learn at least one thing on a daily, I believe you will achieve a lot within a short amount of time. So HTML is a standard markup language for web pages, and you can create your own website. HTML is easy to learn and you will enjoy learning it. So be open-minded. I will try to answer questions in the comment section as we go along. So if you join and you have questions or you have some blockers, there's something you need to, or something is blocking you, reach out to me via my DM. I also have to link my email address so that if there is question, you can as well send me an email and I'll try to unblock you as soon as I'm available. So I'll try to simplify this. With HTML, we also combine it with CSS at this time. Then what is CSS? CSS is a language we use to style a HTML document, give it colors, give it space. It's actually something that is fun and make it look aesthetically pleasing to the eyes. So yes, we also incorporate CSS and HTML at the same time. From there, we may move it up a bit into Bootstrap. From Bootstrap, we'll move it to JavaScript. From JavaScript to React. So we have a lot of things we can achieve within this page. Do you have a brother? Do you have a sister? Do you have a neighbor? Do you have a friend who is willing to learn? Or do you have a child or a daughter? Children from the age of 9, as long as they can read and understand, they can start learning how to code. This tutorial will teach you CSS from the basics to the advanced level. Yes, I'll try to simplify it and make you follow along. I've said that earlier and I'm repeating myself because that's what I'm planning to do. Join this channel if you want to do something fun. Join it if you want to switch your career. Join it if you want to, learn new skills that will help you make 6 figures, make huge amount of money in no time and enjoy yourself while at it. See, when you have the basics, every other thing will be easy to learn. So we are starting from the basics, which is HTML, CSS. And what you need to learn this is have a good laptop. Once you have a laptop and a steady internet, then that is all you need to learn coding. You don't need much. Just have a laptop and a good internet connection, then you will learn how to code. So we'll be doing it like every day. I'll try to upload something, and just after reading or going through with me, you try to research on your own and try to understand it more, and we'll try to build projects as we move along. So what are you waiting for? Join me to make a difference. Join me to help people who are willing to learn this but don't know where to start. So this is by giving you a direction on how to navigate this. I'm not saying it will be all rosy all the way. Sometimes you want to give up. Maybe whenever you have a blocker or something that is, stopping you from moving ahead. But don't give up. Keep pushing it. Once you push it on and you leave that stage, every other thing will be as easy as it comes. So why not join me and let's build this? You need to subscribe, you need to hit the post notification button. That will make you follow along as I post new projects, and that will help us to hitting our pace. So I will be expecting you. I will start uploading as soon as possible. Join me as we make this happen. Thank you. Software development, you can build websites, mobile apps, and with softwares you can decide to be a full stack developer, a front end or a back end. Okay, let me explain that. Full stack developer is you'll be incorporating both the front end skills and the back end skills. While back end developer, you just be doing with the data, back end, creating the data flows and all that. While the front end developer, you will be in charge of the UI, the look of the website and the responsiveness of the website. So whichever way you're trying to push your career into, even if you're going for the back end, it's also good to have an idea of how the front end is structured, which is using the HTML, CSS and other things. It will actually help you in your back end skill as well. So software development is the new deal. It is one of the highest paying jobs in the world. So you can work from anywhere, and it's one of those things that once you switch, you will enjoy doing it. So if you're trying to know if you can do this, join me. Let's do this together.